Alright, real quick before I tighten this last one up, I'll show you the sequence and I'll show you where I found it on YouTube. So here's your filler gauge. What I'm using, .010, and basically what you're looking for is you don't want it too tight, you don't want it too loose, you just want that little drag, right? Just a little drag. And once you have that in there and you have the drag where you want it, and you get that drag by, so basically, see if I do this. So you'll loosen this nut and you'll come down as far as you need to until you get that drag. I believe mine was right there. Alright, then of course you don't have a camera in your hand. You take your 12 for this engine and basically just hold the screwdriver and then tighten this.